get cases and cases of water. However much water you need, like a case per person. So however many people are living in your house, I would do a case per person, or I would consider a gallon a day per person, because you need certain things like brushing your teeth. If we're in a boil water effect, you need it to brush your teeth. You need it to wash your face. You need it for everything. So I would definitely get, like, just to make sure you have enough, a gallon of water per person per day. And I would figure, like, if you've got little kids or whatever, they're not going to drink a gallon of water. So you could do like 2 children per gallon of water, or 3 kids per gallon of water, depending on how big or little your children are. But, you need it for cooking as well. So if you're going to boil pasta, you're going to need the water for cooking. So you're going to be using that water up a lot.